Get ready. Now. There we go. Oh. Sound picture. Oh fuck! Go, motherfucker, go!
Go! Shit! Holy shit!
He don't see it. Fuck! Fuck! Is the other beacon on?
Yeah. Holy shit!
Nice job.
Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus.
Shit almighty.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
God, as soon as it happened, I'm like, dude, let's go. Come on.
Did you get a picture of that? Look, it was coming into him.
Holy shit.
Oh, we seen it coming way before you did.
As soon as that broke, I'm like, let's go. You didn't even look at you guys.
You didn't even see it until it passed you.
God,
You was in it before you canned it up.
Yeah, that thing was just pushing me and I was just sitting there on top of that. The throttle hammer.
Oh, you scared the shit out of me.
No shit.
Shit. That was close, dude.
Fucking go!